Hello and welcome. Today, we will talk about at the beach. Listen and practice. Last summer, I went to the beach with my family. The weather was warm and sunny, and the sky was clear. When we arrived, we found a nice place near the water. The sound of the waves was very relaxing. Children were playing and building sandcastles. Some people were swimming in the sea. Others were lying on towels and enjoying the sun. I walked along the shore and collected colorful seashells. The water was cool and refreshing on my feet. Later, I went swimming with my brother. The waves were not too high, so it was safe and fun. After swimming, we played volleyball on the sand. Many families were having picnics under umbrellas. We ate sandwiches, fruits, and drank cold juice. Some people were reading books or listening to music. There were also people surfing and riding jet skis. I saw fishermen with their boats near the rocks. Seagulls were flying and looking for food. In the afternoon, the sun became very hot. We sat under an umbrella to rest and enjoy the view. I watched the horizon where the sea meets the sky. The blue colors were beautiful and peaceful. Before leaving, we took photos to remember the day. The sunset was amazing, with orange and pink colors. The beach looked magical at that time. It was a wonderful experience to spend the day at the beach. We felt happy, relaxed, and full of energy. Visiting the beach is always a special and joyful memory. Asterisk, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Thank you, dear viewer.